Hi, good evening. My name is Joseph Charles, and I'm here to show you my reporting system that I developed. It's made up of a app and a dashboard, and it's called Leak Patrol. Now, this first prototype of the app, I used WASA as a client to design an app that will allow people to report leaks and instances where there are broken pipes, which causes water delivery to be interrupted. So I'm going to show you the app first, and then I'll show you the admin dashboard. Right, so when you open the app for the first time, you will see this screen here, which allows the user to either sign in, you can create an account, have username, email, password, and you can confirm your password and you register. And if you are already a user and you've forgotten your password, you can go to the forgot password link page and you can put in your email and click send, and it will send you a reset password link. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you a new sign up. So I'm going to call this user James Brown. So I'll fix this. Alright, James Brown. James Brown's email is jamesb@gmail.com. I'm going to put a simple password. Now, mind you, the system is set up a way that it was going to validate the email structure and the passwords as well. Alright, so when the user registers, it's a welcome screen like this. It tells you welcome and the username. And here's a short tutorial I created. Tells you about the app. It's a welcome screen. The app lets you report broken and leaking water pipes. Snap. Take a photo of a leaking water pipe. Then provide a brief description of the leak along with its location. Upload. Send us your report so that the leak can be fixed. And here I have a description of the homepage, where it has the settings and where everything is, the information about the page. And here I have the report page, tells the user exactly what they're looking at. And when we're done, we're gonna get started. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, so this is the homepage. The user will see all of the reports submitted by other users. As you can see, the format I have it in: the user, the region, description, and date. Now, when the report is verified and resolved by the administrators and dashboard, a badge will show up in the bottom left corner that says resolved. None of these leaks has been resolved as yet. And options for share to social on the right, as you can see here, it's also there. Right, so this is that, and I have a menu here. Well, this is the home page. Here you have the terms of service, and when normal app's supposed to have this. Tells you about legal stuff. And I have the settings, which allows user to update their email address, their password, change their password, and if they want to, and if they're just done with the app, they can delete the account. Right, let's go. And of course, option to log out. Right, so if you log out and come back to the login screen, login. James Brown. Oh, it's James B. James B at gmail.com. Put password. Alright, that was good. I'm going to do a new report. I'm going to click the report button. It takes me to the report screen. And here we have a simple form where there's an option to select the photo, which I'm about to do. So I kind of preloaded a picture here, and I'm going to put a description. This week in Arima by the markets. And there's a location which I will develop into a more complex location system, but for now it's have east, west, north, south, and central. So Arima's in east, and select east. Okay. As you can see, the upload button appears when I have filled out all the fields. This is to prevent users from sending empty reports. Right, so from here, and well, you see location here, it has east, right? But in the back end, capturing the location data for the actual GPS position of the leak. Yeah, providing that user took the picture and they have access to internet or data, stuff like that. So this is like me being able to do a level of redundancy in terms of getting the location information. Of course, the user can also type all the information of where this is in the description. That's up to them. So I'm going to upload this report. I'm going to confirm with you, submit this report. Are you sure? You can disagree, come back here, or you could come back here and you could agree. Right, and you'll get a success screen. Your report has been submitted. You click OK. And as you can see, the first report here by James Brown, description, and there's the date. Great, so this is what happens on the app user side, and this is the process of how they use the app and what they do with it. So we have to move over to the dashboard for me to show you what the administrator sees. Notice by default the report does not say it's resolved because it is set to unresolved when a user creates a new post. So let's move on to the dashboard. Okay, so we're at the dashboard. Before I log in, I just want to state that the data from the mobile app is being stored in a cloud database, Firebase, for all of the users, the reports, the images that are stored in the cloud, and it's real-time data, meaning that as soon as the reports are uploaded, it shows up on the app and also on the admin side instantly, which I'm going to show you that in a little while. And also for the dashboard, the user information is stored in PHP Okay, so I'm going to log in as an admin. Now the client can choose to level access for like managers, supervisors, whatever they want to include, so that admins can see certain views and data, and also users can be restricted from seeing certain information. That's their choice. So I'm logging in. I'm going to go to reports, which is part of my demo today. Right, so all the reports from the mobile app show up here. All the information, and I can tailor what is being seen here. You see all the latest report here from user James Brown. I'm also collecting the dates as well. It will show up here, but I haven't included it for this demo. But I'm just showing you a sample of data that's being collected. You can see the picture, the username, description, the region, and the location. Now, remember I was telling you I was collecting the GPS location of the leak. Now I can show you what that looks like. If I use this link here, I click on it and open the tab just for this demonstration. It's going to show you the exact location of the leak. And as you can see with the Google Maps functionality, you have directions to go directly to the leak, which is what I was explaining earlier. Back at the dashboard. Alright, so when the people responsible for repairing the leak, they repair it, they could come back at the dashboard and they could click resolve. When the resolve is clicked, it will trigger off here and it will be marked as resolved. And then on the mobile app, the flag that I told you about, it's going to show up on the the app reports. And then after like 7 days, it's going to disappear from the report screen. I'm not demoing that functionality as yet because it's not ready. And I told you that apps, the data is uploaded is real time. So as soon as I upload, it shows up here. And if a user um, violates the terms of service and posts an image that is against our usage of the app, we can delete it from here instantly, and it will disappear from the app as well, instantly, real time. I'm not demoing that feature in this video because the functionality is not complete. Right, so but I'm going to show you the real-time data. So pay close attention to the screen here while I upload another report. So I'm just going to use some text for the description. I'm going to say testing to show real-time data. No. I'm going to scroll down here because my layout is still being completed. You see here at the bottom that the report I posted came in real time. I didn't have to refresh the screen. It came up here real time. Yeah, sorry about the shifting of the report. I have to fix that layout, but you get the idea. So that's why I said it's real time. So you get real time data. It shows up on the admin dashboard. It shows up on the admin that you get real time data. It shows up on the admin dashboard, and you can manipulate it as soon as you get it. So I'm gonna fix that in the next video, that layout. And the last thing I'm going to show you is the leak map. Now, because we're collecting location data, this leak map is going to show you the locations of all the leaks in a map like this. Each marker will be a leak, and you can see the congestion of the leaks, the areas, so that the client can organize work crews to go out to deal with these, have an idea which areas. Also, it's going to have some functionality at the side to choose. You can select the areas, and it will show you the markers for those areas. And back at the report screen, and well, also it's going to have options for list view as a list, so you don't have to see it like this card view. And you can do like simple sorting, like sort by region and those kind of queries. So that's it for this short demo. I was going to show you the database structure quickly. It's not SQL for the app, is JSON. So I'm going to show you something quick. The database, you see it's collections, it's basically JSON layout. And authentication has all the users. And then storage, it keeps track of all the images. uploaded, and well, PHP my admin for the admin dashboard, users and configuration stuff like that. So I thought I'd just show you the behind the workings of data. So that's it for log out. That's it for this short demo, and stay tuned for the next update. Bye.